Breathwork is an effective way to ease anxiety, boost energy, and fine-tune your ability to focus. Box breathing is one of the simplest ways to harness the power of breathing. Rest your hands on your thighs. Breathe normally for a few seconds until you feel comfortable and relaxed. Exhale fully. Completely empty your lungs. Now, breathe in slowly through your nose to a count of 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Allow your lungs to remain empty for 4. 2 more times. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now inhale and begin breathing at a pace that's natural for you.